everyone. Today we are going to make a rhubarb slushy cocktail. The rhubarb slush cocktail has 2 cups of fruit punch, 2 cups of orange juice, 2 cups of lemonade. We're going to rim the glass with lime juice and sugar, and after the slush is made, we will add some club soda to each glass. So we're going to add 6 cups of fresh chopped rhubarb and pick the red ends if you can. Add it to the pot, and we're going to add 4 cups of cold water, and we'll bring it up to a slow simmer for about 10 minutes. So our rhubarb sauce is cooked for 5 to 7 minutes. It looked like it was ready. I'm just going to give it a quick mash to break it up. That it's all mashed up together, and then we're going to strain out the pulp. That should give us a nice pink base to start our drink with. We can just move it around. We're going to take our rhubarb juice, and I'm pouring it into a shallow, long pan just so I can get it to freeze quicker. So we have our rhubarb juice. We'll take our lemonade, our OJ, our fruit punch. You don't have to use all 3 of these ingredients. It's good with just the orange juice or just the fruit punch if you want it nice and red. And we'll mix it all together. And we're going to stick it in the freezer, and as it's freezing, it'll get a layer on top, and then we'll rake it with a fork or a whisk, put it back in the freezer, rake it some more, and eventually you'll have a slushy. Okay, so we have our frozen rhubarb slush cocktail. I'm just going to rake it, rake off what we need, and put it in our glass. So you can use a spoon, a fork, whatever you want, and we can just scrape away. You have your slush. So we have our rhubarb slush in the glass, rimmed with lime juice and sugar. We'll add some Canada Dry for carbonation. You can add more if you like. Nice and bubbly. A little bit of vodka, and picked a nice little rhubarb leaf. There you are.